This is called a double kettlebell swing. I'm using two uneven kettlebells that are different weights. So I have a 20K and I have a 16K. So we have 44 pounds and 16 pounds. This can be done with uneven bells. This can be done with the same size bells. It's really up to you and what your goal is here, or what is prescribed, okay? But the point is that they're not uneven. It's the technique of the exercise. So in double kettlebell swings, let's just say my stance is here for a single kettlebell two-hand or a one-arm swing. In double kettlebell swings, my feet are probably going to need to go a little bit wider because I have more iron going through my legs. So I need a little bit wider stance. So my setup, I'm just going to set up roughly where I would be. I'm going to have a little bit of splay in my foot, and then I can step back from there. But with double kettlebell swings, I like to teach them so that your hands are not parallel to the floor as they're going through. I'm trying to make these bells a little bit thinner. So I actually rotate my hands inward from the thumb. The thumb rotates in as I go through, and it kind of creates this inverted V position as I'm doing the swing. And so as it comes through, I call this thumb to bum. So we rotate thumb down, thumb to bum. As I drive up forward, I can let them return to a palm facing down or neutral position. I don't want to over rotate here. I can just come back to this position, and then I rotate down, boom, drive up, okay? Same points of a regular kettlebell swing apply here. It's just now, instead of me holding on to one piece of weight with one arm or two hands, now I have separate bells. So the stability is challenged a lot more. And if you're using uneven bells here, it's going to be challenged even greater because now you have different loads. So my goal is when I'm doing kettlebell swings, double kettlebell swings, is that I'm trying to keep those bells even. I don't want this big discrepancy of how far those bells are when they get to the top position or bottom position. So I'll show you two different views. I'll show you from the side and from the front. Okay, so here's from the front. Here's my nice wide stance. I'm going to set up with them up here a little bit, okay? So internally rotated, got the inverted V, lock my shoulders. Now I have a lot more weight here, so I really need to drive those kettlebells back. And back down. Okay, from the side. You'll notice that internal rotation. Boom. We want to make it look exactly like any other kettlebell swing, but boy, it's a lot harder. There's more load to it, and I'm breathing heavy from it, okay? So be careful with these as you're beginning. Err on the side of caution. Maybe start with a little bit lighter weights. As you're feeling good with that, you can add